Molly and Karina on Saturday I don't know what today is, but tomorrow's Easter. Yay! It's the 11th.
April 11th.
April 11th. The day before Easter.
Okay.
We made eggs.
These are our guys. We already showed you. Crayons.
And crayons.
We showed you. Okay.
These are our eggs.
I'll show you which ones are mine.
Okay.
Okay. This egg is mine. This egg is mine. This one.
All the pretty ones, of course.
Okay, hold on. And this one's mine. Look at this.
Cool tie-dye sweetness.
I used crayon. That's
look, there's Molly the egg. I made that one.
I had this egg we showed you earlier. It was cracked.
Yeah, she cracked it.
I didn't crack it.
Yes, you did.
It was cracked. So I took the dyed one. I took it for the team.
Yep. What other ones was yours? Was that it?
Those are the only ones that are mine.
Mine, Karina, me. This one's mine, the ugly striped one. Kind of looks like a boob on the top. Then I made this one. This is Molly. Molly! I think it looks quite like... Ow. I can't get it out.
The resemblance. We both look like Hannah Montana.
Pretty much. And then I made a zebra one, and Melissa sparkled it for me. It's zebra! Oh no. I have glitter on my fingers. Glitter is the herpes of craft supplies, apparently. And then I think that's it. Oh, and then this weird purple pink one, we couldn't figure out what to do with it, so we kind of just put it in a bunch of colors.
Benji's barking.
Yeah.
Back.
And we're watching Marley and Me too.
Ooh.
Want to see?
Oh, blank.
Why is it blank? Oh. There, we're watching it.
And here's Benji.
There's Benji outside. Let's go investigate.
Let's go get Benji. Benji!
We're gonna go on a safari. Cold outside.
Benji!
Benji poo. Benji, come here.
Bbenji can play patty cake. Watch.
Patty cake.
Benji, come here.
Cake. Bake us.
Benji.
Bake me as Benji as fast as you can.
Benji, come here.
Sweet and snuggly.
Come here. Sit. 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 Okay, Benji.
Found it?
Patty cake. Oh.
There you go.
Ready? Back up. Back up. You're too close to the camera.
Found it. Oh, okay.
He's too excited. Come here. Sit. Patty cake. Oh.
Bye.
No. Yeah. Okay. So, pre-Easter. Pre-Easter day.
Been here for about 2 days now.
Karina's been here for a long time.
Yeah, I kind of...
Oops, I'm holding it awkward. Okay.
Let's just look at the camera really awkwardly and silent.
I'm going to do the...
Wait.
I'm going to do... Wait, never mind.
No. Okay.
Have a good
Happy
Easter,
everyone. Yay!